Welcome. In this video, I'll show you the simplest way to add payment method on Shopify. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. All right, so first up, let's go ahead over to the bottom left, click on settings. And in here, let's go ahead over to payments. Okay. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you can go ahead and choose to use a third-party provider right here, or you can add in some more payment providers, such as PayPal, or if you're from the Philippines, we have GCash. Okay, just wait for it to load, and once it loads, set it up and connect a third-party provider as well. Now, the simplest payment method that I have found, okay, are manual payment methods. So as you can see here, I already have cash on delivery. Now, if you want to set it up, just click on manual payment method right here and select cash on delivery. Or you could also choose to use bank deposits or money order. As you can see here, I've already set up cash on delivery. Just enable it. It's pretty easy to set up. I thought once that's done, when you go ahead and go to your Shopify store, upon checkout, you'll be able to see, let's preview it, cash on delivery as an option. Okay, let's go ahead and try to choose this product right here and then buy it now. At the checkout page, you should be able to see cash on delivery or any other payment providers. Okay, as you can see here, for testing, I've added I forgot this one, bogus gateway. Okay, as well as cash on delivery. People can choose to use the same as shipping address right here at the very top, or use a different billing address. All right. And there you have it. That is how you add a payment method on Shopify. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.